Hi and welcome to my channel. I thank you for following my Forex journey. Here we have XAG USD Silver, which I just sold 0.60 lot. I believe we have topped and starting wave C. I'm using MetaTrader4 to execute my trades, and TradingView to do my charting and TA. Here we have XAG USD Silver daily chart. I believe we are coming down an ABC counter trend, and now starting wave C down. If we go to hourly chart, and we can see there is some divergences and the volume is ticking up. I have my target all the way down here at around 17000. It could also be the start of an even more bearish move, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down.